Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel coming at you with a cold start walk around video today. Got here a 2004 F350 1-ton crew cab long bed Lariat model 4x4. Good miles, 150k. Southern truck most of its life, rust free. Pretty stock too from what you usually see coming out of our camp. It's got a small leveling kit and some 325s, but other than that, super nice truck all around. Clean, clean, clean. Not a lot of bad to show you today, so pretty chilly out, a little overcast and cloudy. 50-degree day out here in Kansas City. But she's cold, as you can see down there on the gauges. Wait to start just went off. Truck fires right up. And the miles are low, like I was telling you, 157,871. So good low miles on this truck, good condition overall. Just a nice stock truck. Has an EGR delete, but pretty much stock. 6-disc in-dash CD changer, power sliding rear window that does work. Got overhead console. Little screen is not lighting up. It's usually a quick solder fix in there with a little fuse. Power adjustable pedals, trailer brakes, 4-wheel drive. You got your cup holder that pulls out. Lariat, so we got a little center console here with extra cup holders, power heated seats, all the good options, power windows, locks, keyless entry, power mirrors. They do extend for towing, and you got your little wood grain trim, fancy upgrades. Yeah, pretty clean overall. You got normal little stains and stuff in the carpet, little this and that, but overall this truck, I give it 8 out of 10 on the inside. It's pretty darn clean for the age. Let's go ahead and pop the hood and take a look. So when I got the truck, I bought it out of Harrisonville, Missouri. It was a trade-in on Max Motors out there. But it had Texas DOT numbers, or excuse me, Texas stickers on the windshield for going through quick lanes and stuff. And it's got a Texas flag on it. There's no rust on this truck. It's got a Missouri title, but the way condition it's in, it's spent most of its life down in the South, I believe. There's no leaks under the hood. There's no blow-by from the engine at all. Stock motor, stock studs, EGR delete. As far as damage, there's not a whole lot I'm going to point out. There's a couple small little dents, but pretty straight truck overall. Good chrome on the grill and bumper. Headlights are clean. It's got the upgraded 18-inch wheels that come on the 2007 models that are in great condition. And Hankook DynaPro 325/65 18s. Nice set of wheels and tires up front. We got some minor little scuffs on the mirror here. Nothing terrible. The glass isn't cracked or shattered or anything. It does have the keypad entry as well, in case you lock your keys in or lose them. Cab corners, solid original paint, no surface rust, no nothing. Small little dent in the bed right there. You can see a line kind of as I back up. And then by the tail light here, it's a little scuff, a little bow in the bed from backing up into something or something along those lines. But I mean, there's no rust right here on the lip. All these trucks, they all got rust there. There's no rust on the frame rails. Look at them bed rails. They are solid. They look new. And it does have a new B&W Turnover. It has underbody on it, so you really can't see it, but come up top, the hitch looks brand new. It doesn't look like it's been used. And it's got a spray-in Linex Bedliner, so truck's set up very nice, very clean. There's no dings in the rear bumper. Tailgate's got a little bit of, I don't know, it looks yellow. I don't even know if that cleans off. You know, it's a 150,000 mile truck, so it is not perfect. That bumper is slightly ajar there. Pretty common from backing up into things. That is a little scratch in the paint there that could be touched up. Like I said, it's a new B&W hitch. They did some underbody. It's got the Rancho shocks because it is an FX4 package. So you got all Rancho shocks and skid plates. Pretty clean old bedside over here. Another clean, great cab corner. Crystal clear. Doesn't look like it's ever been tampered with. There's no rust down there on the lip. Stock exhaust on it. Overall, very, very clean. We've got an American flag on this side. Who doesn't love a Texas and American flag? I couldn't take them off. I couldn't bring myself to do it. Well, that's the truck, guys. Super clean, turnkey, clean and clear title. No BS, no hidden surprises. The truck's been safety inspected here in Missouri and passed with flying colors. It's got almost new Hankook DynaPros on it. There's not a lot to hate on this truck. It's got the right miles, condition, quality. I mean, overall, it's a heck of a working rig. You got an 8-foot long bed on it, so anything you need to do, you got the space for. You got the under seat trays as well that pop out. A little water in them over the years, it looks like. Back seats in good condition. But you know what to do, guys. If you're interested, we're right here in Kansas City. Drive in, fly in, check it out. Check out the pics on my website. 816 Diesel is our shop, right down here in Kansas City, Missouri. 816diesel.com is your best bet. Head over to the website. You'll find the VIN number, pricing, pictures, every little detail you might need. It's going to be on the website, 816diesel.com. You can call our shop direct. It's a landline. They're pretty outdated. We might answer it, we might not. We're pretty busy, so 816-298-7030. That's the shop number. My cell is on the website as a text number. You can call or text at any time. 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron, and please let me know if you got any questions or if you want to schedule an appointment. We're tucked back here in an industrial park, so we are by appointment only. But get a hold of me. This truck won't be around long. It rides out great and it's ready to go. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.